So if you have heard me talk about the Dangote Refinery IPO before, this is your official update. We are now about 3 months away for the IPO to take place. And I'm telling you this clearly, a lot of Nigerians will still miss this opportunity, not because they don't have money, but because they are not positioned. Yes, because they are not positioned. So before I continue, if you are meeting me for the first time, I am Immaculata. I'm a certified financial advisor with over 8 years of experience helping Nigerians to build financial freedom. So on this channel, we break down investing in Nigeria, money strategies, and how to build wealth without stress. So if this interests you, then hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification so you never miss out on any of our money updates. Please share this video because it could help someone to make a better financial decision. We also have a free WhatsApp group where you will learn how to select stocks and other investment opportunities available to you. So now, check the link in the description to join the WhatsApp group. Now let's address the biggest mistake people are making as we speak. Many people think that because they are using the apps like the Bamboo, Chaka, Trove, Risevest, they are ready for this IPO. No, you cannot buy IPO shares from those platforms. Why? Because those apps only give you access to the secondary market. So the secondary market is where shares are already trading. So let me break this down for you. An IPO is initial public offering. It is when a company is entering the stock market for the first time and also offering its shares to the public. That is what is called the primary market. So while the secondary market is where shares are already being bought and sold daily, like the normal market you go to. That is what most apps give access to. Now, if you want to participate in any IPO in Nigeria, you need this, a CSCS account with a licensed stockbroker in Nigeria. Your CSCS is your identity. So in the Nigerian stock market, your CSCS is your identity. Without it, you don't exist in the system. Now, here is what most people don't really know. If you are already using online stock apps, you still need to request for your CSCS number and also your clearinghouse number. Then you can go to the NGX group website and register to enable you participate in IPOs through the NGX platform. Let's talk about why this IPO really matters. Yes. The Dangote Refinery IPO is expected to span across major African exchanges, including Nigerian Exchange Limited, Johannesburg Stock Exchange, Ghana Stock Exchange, Egyptian Exchange, Nairobi Securities Exchange, Casablanca Stock Exchange, and also Angola Debt and Securities Exchange. This is not just a Nigerian opportunity. That is what you need to know. This is a continental play. So don't take this lightly. When this IPO goes live, prepared people will take positions. Unprepared people will start asking questions. Now, let me be very direct with you here. If you wait until the IPO is announced publicly, you're already late. Yes, you are already late. Because if you are serious about participating and you don't know how to go about it, then send me a DM right now. Let's help you set up your CSCS account with a licensed stockbroker and also an IPO participation access before the opportunity arrives, because opportunities like this do not wait for anyone. So don't forget to like this video, share and comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more money updates. And always remember this, money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth always. Thank you for watching. Bye.